All right, these notes from BCA 101, Introduction to Computers. This was Monday. We're still on security. A number of these things are repeat, but we'll run over some of them anyway. Okay, some of the things we're going to be doing in the class. We talked about data. Data's got to be made available. We got to make sure the data is accurate, the integrity of the data, and confidentiality. Who can see what data? And we have to take care of that when the data is being stored, when the data is moving in transit, or when the data is being processed. How to do that? We have products. All right. I think I missed some of the recording here, so I'm going to run over this again. And I'll use a different color. So here we talked about data encryption, data cryptography. Two different things. The idea of encrypting data and then being able to decrypt it. When it's encrypted, somebody can't see it, and then we decrypt it so we can see it. We use some algorithm to do that with a key, some piece of information that goes into the algorithm that allows us to do that. We can hash data, and we move it into a fixed size, okay? And the only way you could figure out a hash is to guess. You know, try options and hash them and see if you get the same thing. This is also done by an algorithm. We end up with a hash. So we can hash data, and data can move between two locations, hash it again, and make sure, if we send the hash along, we can make sure that the data arrived accurately. Passwords are hashed. When you create a password, you create a password, it creates a hash. When you enter a password the next time, it gets hashed, and then the two hashes are compared, and if they match, you're allowed in. All right. Up here, this was a side note. We talked about private addresses and public addresses. Somebody confused, saying they thought this public address was assigned to their specific computer. That's not true. Internally, we have these private addresses here at NIACC, and when we go out to the internet, as an example, then they're matched up with this public address. So we can have lots of people here go to the internet, use this one address, and these are matched up by port number. Out here in the internet, we can do whatever we want. The internet sends this address back, so to speak, to NIACC. It sends it to our area here at NIACC, and then here it's matched up with the address here, gets a physical address, and goes to the device. And that's it.